Hello boys of class 7, welcome you another online class of agriculture. Last class we have done a model question answer from chapter 4. Today I have come here to share with you another model question answer, creative model question answer of chapter 5, from chapter 5. Now let us start the class. Hope that this will be beneficiary for you and hope that all of you are fine and in sound health along with your families. So let us start our today's lecture. Let us first see the creative question. Zahir goes to a wedding program and pleased to see the decoration done by some flowers. He says there are one type of flowers fragrance diffuses at night and another type of flower is very graceful. He wants to produce these flowers in his balcony, but he is able to produce the graceful flower from seeds, while another flowers the production in our country is not from seeds. So this was the stream. Now let us look at the question. Which medicine should apply for larva of Katua pupa? We already know that this question contains 1 mark, that means one part of answer should be. How the nurturing of guava is done after collecting the fruits. 2 marks question. So basically there should be 2 parts. Describe the seedling production of flower that Zahir is able in his balcony. 3 marks question, and there are 3 parts including here. Both flowers used in decoration, but the reproduction and plantation is different. Analyze the statement according to your book. So this is 4 mark question and there are 4 parts of this question answer. So let us start with the number 1, that is which medicine should apply for larva of Katua pupa. We can directly answer this because we have only 1 mark for this question. Now the question answer should be for larva of Katua pupa, Furadon or Dursban should be applied in prescribed amount and after that irrigation is needed. If you write this, complete it, the answer. Now let us go for the second question answer. How the nurturing of guava is done after collecting the fruits. So at first, let us know about what is guava. Guava is a popular fruit in Bangladesh which contains vitamin C and grows everywhere. After collecting the fruit from tree, well nursing is needed for betterment of tree and next production. So this is one part. As we come to know that in the question it is required what should be the nurturing after collecting the fruits. So at first we have known about guava. Now let us know what nurturing should be done after collecting of fruits. After collecting fruits from adult tree, branches should be amputated in August-September. If the branches are cut off, then new branches are producing and fruits are growing. For keeping the tree fruit yielding always and get more fruits, 25 to 50% fruits should be ripe at their tender state. So this is the nurturing that should done after collecting the fruits. So this is nurturing that required the tree after collecting fruits for the betterment of tree and fruit production. So this is how we can write 2 marks question. Now let us go for 3 marks question, that is number C. And the question is, describe the seedling production of flower that Zahir is able in his balcony. Already in the stream it is mentioned that out of 2 flowers, one can be reproduced from seeds in our country. Zahir is able to produce a flower from seed in his balcony is marigold. That means only this portion is the knowledge part, and we have come to know from our book that we can reproduce marigold from seed, and it can be also done in balcony. So the first part, that means knowledge part, answer is the name of the flower, that is marigold. Now let us know about marigold. Marigold is very popular amongst the people of Bangladesh. It is used very much in festivals, celebrations, home decoration and making garlands. Color, structural variety and gracefulness of this flower attract people. Now let us know about seedling production of marigold. Seedling can grow by 2 processes, from seed and through grafting from a branch of stem. During rainy season, seeds are sown thinly and seedling is produced. Seed bead of marigold is as like as vegetable seed bead, and 1 month old seedlings are transferred for plantation. So this is how we can do seedling production from seed. Now let us know the second process through grafting. Healthy plants are selected for graft. It should be for, not fro, for grafting after blossoms. 2.5 centimeter wide and 5 to 10 centimeter long branches should cut off from stem, and then necessary steps should be taken in grafting process. As we earlier know that how grafting is done in chapter 2, so that process or that procedure should be done in the next step. When in 1 month countless roots are come out, then it is planted. So this is how we can reproduce seedling from grafting method. So following these processes, Zahir can produce seedling in his balcony of the mentioned flowers tree in the stem. So this is actually answer of question C. Now let us go to the higher order question, that is question D, and we know for that we have 4 marks. The question is, both flowers used in decoration but their reproduction and plantation is different. Analyze the statement according to book. At first, knowledge part, we have to mention the flower's name. The name of flowers that mentioned in the stem which are used in decoration of house are tuberose and marigold. So this is 1 mark. Now you have to analyze it is right or wrong. Both flowers are used in same purpose but their production and plantation is different. This statement is true. Now let us see that how reproduction and plantation of tuberose and marigold are different. Seedling of marigold can grow by 2 processes, from seed and through grafting from a branch of stem. During rainy season, seeds are sown thinly and seedling is produced. Healthy plants are selected for grafting after blossoms. 2.5 centimeter wide and 5 to 10 centimeter long branches should be cut off from stem, and then necessary steps should be taken in grafting process. So this is the seedling or reproduction process of marigold, that is already we have discussed in part C question. Again we have mentioned here because it was the requirement of question answer D. Now, but reproduction of tuberose in Bangladesh take place from bulb. Bulbs are look alike as onion. They stay hidden underground in winter. When winter is over, then bulb is segregated from the thickets. For planting, 2 to 3 centimeter long root is sufficient. So this is the reproduction system of tuberose, so which is already different from marigold. By plowing 4 to 5 times and harrowing, soil has to be made granular. It is better to plant saplings at the ending part of rainy season. The distance from one row to another row should be 60 centimeter and the distance of one plant to another is 45 centimeter. This is for marigold. Short plants are planted in tubs. Bulb of tuberose is planted between February and April. This is planted at 25 to 30 centimeter distance in between rows, 10 to 15 centimeter in from one plant to another plant, and 4 to 5 centimeter deep in the soil. After 3 to 4 months of plantation, bulb blossoms. So you can easily see that plantation procedure of marigold and tuberose is also different. They are not same. So what can we say? So from the discussion, it is very much clear that 2 flower plants reproduction and plantation is different. That's how we have proved, we have shown that the statement is true. So that is the question answer of D. I think this will help you to learn how to write the answers of the question. So boys, I think you are taking good preparation for the exam and hope for the best. And next we will have another, I think we will have class after this Eid. So have a safe Eid and stay safe with your family. Okay boys, so bye for today.